Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hastri, indah, azika. In this video, I would like to discuss about psycholinguistic, and the chapter that I would like to discuss is about how children learn language. Okay, my topic is about abstract word, and I'll give you 6 points to discuss. 1. What is abstract word in children language? 2. What's the language pattern in children language? 3. What's the obstacle for children learn language? 4. What's the factor of abstract word? And 5. What's the issue if the parents allowing children to say the wrong thing? And the last is the solution. Okay, the first is the abstract word in children's language refers to a word that is not familiar or clear to them. In the context of language development, children often face challenges with unfamiliar words or sounds, which can lead to mispronunciation or misinterpretation. For example, a child might say kulkas instead of kulkas because they are not yet familiar with the correct pronunciation of the word. Okay, number 2, what's the language pattern? As children grow and interact with their environment, they are exposed to a wide range of word and language patterns such as phonology is for the sounds, morphology is for word structures, syntax is for sentence structure, semantic is for meaning, and pragmatic is for language use in context. Which help them to expand their vocabulary and improve their language skills. Number 3, for the obstacle is they might use a word that is not appropriate in a sentence but is familiar to them, such as I want to go to the zoo and see the lions and tigers and bears instead of I want to go to the zoo and see the animals. In that example, the child said lions, tigers, and bears instead of animals. The word lion, tigers, and bears are familiar to the child, so they may say the word instead of the more appropriate word animals. This is an example of imperfect speech learning where the child tries to use a familiar word. These obstacles are a natural part of the language development process and will be corrected as the children gain more exposure to language and develop their linguistic abilities. Number 4, for the factors children's language, it can be affected by various factors such as their age, their cognitive abilities, exposure to language, and the quality of their language environment. Number 4, the issue of this topic. If parents don't correct their children's word, it is more difficult for children to develop good speech and understand the correct word. And the last is the solution. To solve this problem, parents can use better ways such as explaining the reason why the word is wrong, and encouraging children to retry, and providing better support and recognition. This solution can build positive feelings in the process of learning speech for children. Okay, everyone, that's all for the discussion about abstract word in children's language learning. I'm sorry if there's any mistakes. Thank you so much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.